Welcome back. In this video, I want to give you a quick update of what happened to RSMF Viewer and what changes I added. Let's go to the screen. I'll show you what we got going on. All right, from the first look, everything looks just like it did before. We can open the folder, we can select something, we can load our documents. However, now we have a Save As option. All right, and you see it's all grayed out, so you can't select anything. So what I did is I added a feature called Unlock Premium Features. So as promised, saving is going to be a premium feature. It'll be a paid feature. So RSMF Viewer will view as it's intended to, but saving is an additional feature. So let's register it and show you how it works. So normally you would take this number, you will email it to me, or you send it to me through my website, and I'll send you a code that you will paste here. You will say activate, and it'll say it's activated. And now our save options are going to be enabled. All right, so what we can do here is once we loaded our 4 different files, we can do save as, and we can save it as a new RSMF file. So we can say combined, and now if we look in the folder, we'll see a new file was created that combines all other RSMF files. So if somebody gives you like an RSMF file that contains lots of little files and you're like, what is this? Why do they split it up by hour? You know, I want to join it all together. Well, you can use that to join it together. The other thing I did is I added a JSON. I pretty much add it all the time, simply so that you could troubleshoot or see what's going on there. I don't think anyone's actually going to want to use the JSON file, but the next one is really cool. So let's say you get a bunch of RSMF files, but your system doesn't support it, and you want to load it into concordance. So you can say save as, and make sure all of them are selected and loaded. Dat, and we're going to say export.dat, and now a dat file will be generated right here. So let's open it up. All right, and just like that, we got our fields ID, group ID, timestamp, body. So all the fields are right here, and the native path will point to that temporary folder where all the files were extracted. So you could see it right here. Yep, starts from desktop. So that's going to be the native link. So now you could take this and load it into either older version of relativity, into concordance, and you can generate native link. And there's also ID, which is your doc ID, and a group identifier that will keep all the families together. And you see 1919, right? So it'll keep all the families together so you could find them. The last option I have here is HTML. This is in testing. It's going to be grayed out for now. Some people asked for like an HTML rendering of a conversation. I'm gonna be honest. I really don't enjoy generating HTML. I'm not a web person. I like desktop applications, so it's a little bit of a struggle for me. I just don't enjoy it. That's all. But I will show that to you once I have something working. But basically, what it'll do, take this table, dump it out into HTML, and then put links to all the pictures so they show up online, and it's like you're scrolling through and you're reading like a long chat conversation, if you're into that. I suggest not doing it. I don't know why people like it. Maybe they want to present it to somebody or whatever, or they want to PDF it. That may be possible. The other option that was suggested is for me to generate a PDF version right away. But that I'm gonna say no to right away, because you know how when you process data, you get these PDFs and they don't render properly, and the viewer doesn't in relativity show them properly, or you get some kind of weird error, text extraction issues. That's because people generate these PDFs using whatever third-party components, and they cause like nothing but trouble. So I actually want to stay away from that. But I will give a shot to generating an HTML version of the messages. If it comes out good, it's going to be part of the viewer. If it doesn't work out, well, I'll get rid of it. But point is, it may be there in the future. So, but I'll play around for that, and you tell me if you think that's necessary or not necessary. Maybe I'm wasting my time. I don't know. Anyway, that's the update with the viewer. You get premium features, so you could resave your RSMF files into either new file or a DAT file for compatibility with other applications. All right. Oh yeah. So, and this viewer is pretty much done. It's gonna go up on my website. It'll be available for download, so you guys can download it, grab it, use it, whatever. You will need a license to save it. It's gonna be a separate license you can buy, but viewing, totally free. All right. That's it for this update. Talk to you guys later.